Guys, so today I have another electronic product for you guys. This product I'm quite excited. So I saw it on Amazon and I was like, oh my god, I really need to have this product. So this product is a bit on the pricey end. It's about $150. So, but I think it's worth it. So the product that I have for you guys today, it's a massage gun. So it's the Darkiron Massage Gun. And you know, massage guns are just all overly higher priced. So the one thing that really excited me was this nice suede cover. And basically they give you this case and everything is just kept inside this case. And you know when I buy stuff and then it doesn't come with like a case and it has like small attachments, all the other attachments just get lost. So this case is really nice because you can keep all the attachments in one. So when we open up this case, we get this like mesh holder. So if you want to put anything else inside this, you can put it inside that. So this is the mesh cover. And then we have the manual. And basically this is just the basic manual and it just explains what's inside and how the massage gun works. And it has a couple of disclaimers which you can read. And basically this Darkiron multifunctional massage gun has 6 replacement massage heads and it has 30 adjustable speed levels that go from 400 to 3,300. And basically this massage gun is specifically just to help relieve muscle stiffness and soreness and increase blood pressure. So this will overall this will improve your body's soft tissues. And also it can heal inflammation caused by adhesion between fascia and muscles. And like I said, it's $150 for this whole kit, which has like the attachments, the charger, the massage gun, and the case. So $150 for all of this. And I will be listing it down below in the description below. So if you are interested in this, I will link it down below so you can buy it. And then basically, first of all, let's just go ahead and start and show you everything that's inside the box. So they give you this charger. This is the charger. And they give you 6 attachments. So this attachment is basically for massaging soft tissues. And then we have this attachment. It's for basically sensitive body meat relaxation. And this one is for bulk massage groups. And then this one is for muscle relaxation and muscle plasticity. And then this one is for massaging the spine and the Achilles. And then this one is for muscle relaxation and I think I've already said that one. And then this is the massage gun. Let me take this out and whoa, this is kind of heavy and I think it's around 2 pounds. So this is the nice grip and the grip is, you know, really nice because it gives you a really good grip on the massage gun. And it's really heavy. So let me go and show you how this works. Basically, this is the bottom of the massage gun and basically to turn it on you would press this button over here and then this green light indicates that it's turned on. And then we have the charging slot and this is where you can charge it. So you know the charger that they gave you? So you would charge it from this point here. And then if you want to charge, this is the whole massage gun and this charges the massage gun, but if you want to charge it separately and just not the massage gun together, you can press your thumb over here and pull this bit out and it'll just charge, you know, the battery. And like I said, it's really good because it has 6 replaceable massage heads. And you know, basically this the user can change the massage gun speed as needed from 400 to 3,300 percussions per minute. And it also claims that the massager adopts to high quality motor, meaning that it has ultra strong heat dissipation function, so it won't crash, and you can, like, you know, you can use it for a longer time without it being overheated. And they also claim that the massager is quiet as compared to other 50 decibel massagers. We're going to test that out to see if that theory is correct. And this is the cordless massager, so you don't have to like plug it in and use it. So this massager will work for like 6 hours without the battery. I mean, without like putting the battery in, without putting the charger in. The body massager has an LED battery indicator, so you don't have to worry about the power outages. And this basically weighs 1 kg and 2.2 pounds. And the ergonomic designed grip minimizes external vibrations, and the durable anti-slip silicone grip makes the massager easier and comfortable to hold. So basically that's all the features about this, but let's go ahead and turn this on so you guys can see how it works. So this is the on button. So over here, like I said, it says 59. So 59 means that it's how much battery that is left. So it's the charging indicator. And then the 00 over here is once, you know, I put the massager head in, you can change the speed. And then and the levels of the speed go from level 1 to level 30. So level 1 is like 400 PRM, level 2 is 496 PRM, level 3 is 593. So basically on a, like, it goes higher. And then we have the electricity display key, and this is just the charging, it just tells you the charging display. And then this is the gear display screen. I mean the level, the speed. And then this is the overshift key, and this is the downshift key, and this is the on button. So I'm gonna put in this one in for you guys. So to put it in, you basically get your massage head, whichever head you want to put in, whichever attachment you want to put in, and you just put it in like this. So the grip is really nice. And then, okay, so you press this on button. And so this is level 1. This is level 1. This is level 5. Level 9. So this is level, 1 second. So you have to press it in quite hard, otherwise it's going to fall out. So this is level 12. So this is level 30. So you know how it claims that it's quieter than other massage guns? So I'm claiming, like, I think from my experience, like, I've seen other YouTube videos and the massage guns are quite noisy. So at level 30, it's kind of quiet. So it does make a bit of noise, but it's quieter than what I've seen on other YouTube videos of other massage guns. So my overall review for this would be that I'm really excited to use this, and you know, I think it's going to be a great help for my muscle soreness. And I sit a lot, you know, like, because I'm doing office work and I just sit on my laptop and, you know, I get a sore back. So I think this is really going to help because, it's gonna clear out my muscles and, like, you know, massage out my muscles. And I think this is a really great product, and I recommend it if you have a sore back and you want to do something for your sore back. And you know, you don't have to pay so much for massage guns, so I feel $150 is a decent price. But I think if you want to buy a cheaper one, there's some cheaper ones. But my experience with this one so far, as I'm testing it out, it's quite good. So this is a really good product from my experience, you know. I'm guessing it's going to be really good for my backache. So let me just show you the levels again. So this is level 1, 2, 3. So thank you guys for watching my review, and if you like this product, I will be linking it down below. So if you want to buy this product, you can buy it from the link that I give you in the description. And one thing that I forgot to tell you guys, so in case any of these, like, they come off or they get damaged or something, you get replacement ones. So that's a really good thing, but that I don't have to, like, go and specifically buy these. They give you specific ones. So thank you guys once again, and I hope you like my review, and thank you so much. Bye bye.